something.
Some people, there is one place in Jakande area. Yes, sir. I will not mention that particular place. That Jakande area, there is a particular church. Listen, every babies that they give birth in that church, their mother, they really want to go. That woman will go and beg for the children. It's one particular woman in that church that will go and beg for that children. We go and beg for that children. Listen, one of that church members, the younger ones used to come to our church, and the Lord said, your auntie is pregnant. He said, yes. Listen, there's one particular person that is always going to birth those children, babies in that. Once they gave birth in that church, he said, Mommy, I don't know. He said, I don't used to go to their church. He said, go and ask. She went to ask her auntie. She asked her auntie, and the auntie said, yes, that is true. He said, yes, it's true. He now said that she now mentioned what they appointed that woman for. And the Lord said, don't let her come to bait your child. Don't let her bait your child. Don't let her bait your child. Listen, when she put to bed, this mother got there first. As she got there, she's going up and down. She's going up and down. The younger sister was there, and she's looking, who is this person? And the husband of our elder sister said, this is the woman that used to bait for those children in the church. Listen, he said, where my only ones are, that is where the evil ones are.
Careless people.
To careless ones.
Careless.
If you are careless,
they will finish you.
Don't let them finish you.
Before you finish them.
Before they finish them.
Exactly. You
must not allow them.
Ready.
People are ready. Evil ones.
To finish you.
Before you finish them. But if you're there, don't be sitting there. Jabez did not sit. He said, I won't allow this part of my family to finish me. I won't allow.
At the end of it,
because if she was able to pray for that children, she later confessed. She later confessed that in that church, because she must beg for children. If she not beg for children, she's in trouble. Because she was unable to beg for the child, so it is not trouble to her. She sat, she will run. She will say they are chasing her. She said, you know, that there's no scarf on her head. But we have to say they told her,
at the end of it,
that woman confessed. Listen, because she has walked to a particular place that God has if not so many children that she has baited, that she has collected their glory out of them from her. I authorize which battle that the money was has given your body from baby that is making you to labor, for you not to work, that are making you to labor, for you not to have reward. This is authority in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.